So I just juiced beets, apples, celery, dill, and cilantro. Okay, and this one comes out of it. I'm going to make this into a raw wrap to show you how you can use everything and nothing goes to waste. Okay, this is going to be a raw wrap. These are the remnants of the juicing. Okay, into a bowl. Okay, kind of stir it up. So in here, I shredded it. Make sure that it's fine. Okay, because you don't want it to be too stringy. And we're going to use flaxseed. Okay, you're going to have to grind it into a powder. Don't buy the flaxseed that's already been grounded. You want to do it fresh, from the seeds to this. Okay, we're going to use we'll use a tablespoon of this of the flax, ground flax, and we're going to use a teaspoon of the brags for some bit of salt. And then we're going to use the garlic powder, maybe about half teaspoon of this. In here there's cilantro and there's dill, so it has good flavor already. So as you can see, I flattened it out. I didn't put additional water. Normally I'll make it very thin and make it into a wrap. So this will most likely be a cracker or a bit for a crouton, for a big salad. We're going to set the temperature to 115, nothing higher than that, okay? This is considered raw. Okay, and then we're going to put it on, put it for about 12 hours to harden up. So after 8 hours of dehydration, okay, this is how it looks like after 8 hours. It's actually kind of hard and crunchy. So I'm going to use this as crackers. And break it up and use it in my salad as well, okay? But you can see that the waste, so-called waste from the juicing, it doesn't have to be waste. You can use it as a cracker. You can use it, if you put more water, and you can make it as a wrap as well, okay? But this one is crunchy, so it's gonna be either croutons in my salad, or it's gonna be crackers for a raw dip. But it's amazing how we can make use of everything in the plant. The juice, and then we can use the after effects of the juice for crackers and croutons. See, crackers, crunchy, delicious, and they taste so good. Amazing.